Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be making these adorable miniature wire Christmas trees that can be used on a tiered tray. I couldn't make up my mind if I wanted to use the silver or the green trees. I finally decided on the silver ones. I removed the bell at the bottom using a pair of jewelry pliers, and I also removed the star from the top. I suggest leaving the star on because I wind up at the end hot gluing the star back on. I used my drill and a large bit to drill holes in a couple of the little wood pieces from Dollar Tree. I didn't drill all the way through the wood, just enough to add the tree and some hot glue. It took some work, but I finally was able to get the little round end off of the bottom of the tree. It was tough, and I just had to keep moving the pliers back and forth until it finally broke. I added hot glue to the hole I had drilled into the wood and placed the end of the metal tree. I held it until the glue had set up enough to hold it itself. I wanted to make sure it would stand up straight. Now for the second tree. I used the screw gun again and drilled a hole the same way I did the first time. I made sure the bottom of the tree fit into the hole before using hot glue. Glad I did because I had to drill the hole a little bit more. I added the hot glue and held the tree like I did before. I then hot glued the stars back onto the tree, so I would recommend not taking them off to start with. I pulled on the wire limbs of the tree until the trees began to look something like what I was wanting. This is a super easy DIY, and these little trees look amazing on a tiered tray. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more Christmas DIYs in the weeks to come, and you know you don't want to miss them. To be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.